Hello student, our today's topic is nomenclature of alcohol. For nomenclature of any organic compound, we have to identify parent chain, that is longest continuous carbon chain or longest hydrocarbon. Next, principal functional group, which is used as suffix, and substituents and its position, which is used as prefix. For nomenclature of alcohol, there are mainly two systems, common name system and IUPAC system. But in monohydric alcohol, there is another one system, carbinol system. Hence, there are total three systems, common name system, carbinol system and IUPAC system. In common name system, we use name as alkyl alcohol. But when there are more alkyl groups, higher alkyl groups, then prefixes like normal, iso, secondary and tertiary are used. In carbinol systems, alcohol are considered as derivatives of methyl alcohol, and the alkyl group which is attached to the carbon which is having OH group are used as prefixes. Here see here the name is methyl carbinol. These are the two system, and third system is IUPAC system. In IUPAC system, the name is alkanol. Name is alkanol. This alkanol is obtained as replacing E by OL. Hence name is alkanol. For polyhydric alcohol, E in the ending is retained. The ending OL is added and the number of OH groups is indicated as di, tri before OL group. OL. The position of OH group is indicated by appropriate locant. For example, see here CH2, single bond CH2 and two OH groups are added here. Students, here chain is of two carbon atom and this is ethane. As there are two OH groups, that means it is a polyhydric alcohol, hence E is remain as it is, hence name is ethane. First and second position having OH group, hence 1, 2 and it is diol. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Student, when there is a cyclic alcohols, the prefix cyclo is used to the parent alkane, considering OH group is attached to carbon atom number 1. See here, this is an example of cyclobutane and OH group is attached to carbon atom number 1. Hence we name as cyclobutanol. Here 5 carbon chain and OH group is always considered to the carbon atom number 1. Hence cyclopentanol, 1 cyclopentanol, but substituents ethyl is attached to carbon atom number 2, hence 2 ethyl cyclopentanol. This is IUPAC name of this compound. In this way, these are the three systems, common name system, carbinol system and IUPAC system. Students, see here some examples. In this case, see the first example, methyl CS3OH. Common name of this compound is, we know that alkyl alcohol, hence common name of this compound is methyl alcohol. And what is IUPAC name? Alkanol. We use the word alkanol. Here alkyl group is methyl, hence IUPAC name of this compound is methanol. See here, methyl alcohol and methanol. Methyl alcohol and methanol. The next example is here, next example is CS3CH2OH. CS3CH2CH2OH. In common name system, carbon atoms are more than 2, that means 3. Hence En is used because straight chain. Hence En 3 carbon, hence propyl. OH group is hence alcohol. Hence common name is En propyl alcohol. And what is IUPAC name? Select the longest continuous carbon chain which having OH group. This is the longest continuous carbon chain. Numbering is done from this way, 1, 2, 3. Hence this is a propan-1 all. In this way, see the common and IUPAC name of second compound, En propyl alcohol and propan-1 all. The third example, see here third example. In third example, CS3CH3OH. See here isopropyl alcohol. Common name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol because here one branch is present. And IUPAC name, select the longest continuous chain in this way. Numbering is done in this way. OH group containing carbon atom has lowest number, hence numbering we may give numbering from any side 1, 2 and 3. Hence this is a parent alkane is propane, hence propane dash OH group is at 2 position, hence propane dash 2 all. See here propane dash 2 all and isopropyl alcohol. Fourth student, see here next example, CH3 CH3 CH2 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 OH. That means straight chain and 4 carbon atom, hence En butyl OH group is present, hence a common name of this compound is En butyl alcohol. What is IUPAC names? For naming in IUPAC system, we have to consider longest continuous carbon chain. That means here the carbon chain is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon atom. Hence parent chain carbon atom is parent alkene is butane. E is replaced by OL, hence butanol, and position is 1. Hence IUPAC name of this compound is butane dash 1 OL. See here IUPAC name of this compound is butane dash 1 OL. Next example is, see here this example, this one example. In this compound one branch is present, here one alkyl group and another alkyl group, hence this is a secondary compound and carbons are 4, hence secondary butyl alcohol. This is the common name of this compound. And for IUPAC names, we have to select longest continuous carbon chain. Numbering is done in this way. This carbon atom has lowest number, hence 1, 2, 3 and 4. As there are 4 carbon atom, hence this parent alkane is butane, but E is replaced by OL and position is added in between them, hence IUPAC name of this compound is butane dash 2 OL. See here butane dash 2 OL. The IUPAC name of this compound is butane dash 2 OL. See the next example here. In this is also butyl alcohol, but see here in this compound, these two examples are same, butyl alcohol and IUPAC name also butane dash 2 OL. The next example, see here, in this example, this is a there are 3 alkyl groups, hence this is a tertiary group and 4 carbon atom, hence IUPAC name is tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this compound is tertiary butyl alcohol, and IUPAC name of this compound is selection of longest continuous chain in this way. Numbering is 1, 2 and 3. That means propyl group is there, hence the IUPAC name of this compound is propane dash 2 OL, but there is a one substituent methyl group, hence the IUPAC name of this compound is 2 methyl propane dash 2 OL. See here 2 methyl propane dash 2 OL. IUPAC name of this compound is 2 methyl propane dash 2 OL. The next compound is, see here, see the next compound. Here students, see here in this case polyhedric alcohol. This is example of polyhedric alcohol. 3 OH groups are present. The common name of this compound is glycerin. The common name of this compound is glycerin. IUPAC name of this compounds, selection of longest continuous carbon chain. Naming is done 1, 2, 3. That means the IUPAC name of this compound is propane. E is not replaced because this is a polyhedric alcohol, hence propane dash 1, 2, 3, 3 OH group. Then try is used, propane dash propane propane dash 1 comma 2 comma 3 triol. In this way, this is the IUPAC name of this compound. Students, I hope you can understand this topic.